this question, and this is class 10 chapter 9 and exercise 9.1. Second question is, a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So let's draw the figure. So it is said that a tree breaks due to storm and broken parts bends so that top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. So it means, see here in the figure, suppose this is tree, and this is broken from this point. Suppose at point B this is broken, and this broken part will bends so that this top touches the ground at point C. This is the top of the tree. Earlier it was here, now it is broken from point B. Now the broken part is bends towards BC, and the top is at the point C now. So this is, and this top is making an angle of 30 degree with the ground. So it is 30 degree angle, and it is said that the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Here this is foot of tree, and the point where this top touches the ground is point C. So this distance is 8 meter given. And it is said that find the height of the tree. So what is the height of the tree? It will be AB plus BC, because this is also tree, this is also tree. So we need to find out first of all AB, then BC, and then we will add these two, right? So this will be the height of the tree. So first of all we'll explain the figure here, and then we'll take out the T ratios in this right angle triangle, and one by one we'll find out AB, then BC, then we'll add these two. So let's start. So it's written here, let in figure a tree which is broken at point B, and the broken part bends such that its top touches the ground at point C. Here angle C is 30 degree given, AC is 8 meter given. Now in right angled triangle, so what we do, what we are to find out, that we will write in the numerator. So suppose I need to find out AB, so it is AB over what is given here, which that I'll write in the denominator, that is AC. So see here, AB over AC, this is perpendicular over base with respect to this 30 degree angle. So P over B is tan of the angle, so tan 30 it will be, right? So now you can fill the values. AB over AC is 8, and tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So this, now AB is 8 will go here, so 8 over a root 3. And you can do rationalization also here, so we have to multiply up and down with root 3, so it becomes 8 root 3 over 3. So this is equation number 1. So we have found out this value of AB. Now our motive is to find out value of BC. So again in this only, so I'll write here, so again I need to find out BC now. So BC over what is given here, AC. So that is, see here, BC over AC, H over B. So you know B over H is cos, so H over B is secant theta. So that reciprocal of cos, that is secant theta. Theta is here 30 degree, so secant 30 degree. So now BC over AC, AC is 8. Now secant 30, how to find out? You know cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So secant 30 will be its reciprocal, so it will be 2 by root 3. So this way you can find out these values. Now from here you cross multiply, and you will get BC is equal to 8 to the 16 over root 3. Here also you can rationalize, so it becomes root 3 over root 3. So it will be BC is equal to 16 root 3 over 3. So now this is BC. So total height of the tree will be AB plus BC. So we'll write here total height. So total height of the tree, AB plus BC. So from here AB is 8 root 3 over 3 plus BC is 16 root 3 over 3. So it is like fractions only, so these are added. So 8 plus 16, 24 root 3 over 3. So it is cancelled, 3 ones are 3 8s are. So total height of the tree is 8 root 3 meters. So you can write in the last line. So total height of the tree is 8 root 3 meters. So this way we will do this question.